Hello, hello, mighty pirates! So what are we going to see today? Today we're going to see another game comparison between this fabulous here Commodore 64 and the Sinclair ZX Spectrum. And the game I chose today is an incredible game. It's called Bobsleigh. Bobsleigh is a Winter Olympics game. It's actually very nice game, and it's of course available in both platforms and others too. But it's incredible the difference that you are going to see between this version of the Commodore 64 and the one running on the Sinclair. Of course, I'm going to say this is why I'm doing this game comparison. The Sinclair version is way better than this one. Can you believe it? Because this Commodore 64 is known as a game machine, but sometimes the hardware makes the difference, and also the CPU make the difference, especially if there are some things like 3D calculations to make and other stuff, and the Commodore 64 is slower. Okay, so let's do it. So here we go. We're going to load the game. We're going to power up also the volume here because I wanted to really hear that. Right, I'm very excited to do that because I think that this game is pretty nice, and so comparing it with my great computer, because I always had a Spectrum. I have never had a Commodore 64 actually, but of course these times are different, so I am a very happy Commodore 64 owner now, and so comparing it with my old one, very exciting, very exciting. All right. I'm loading the game from PI 1541, which is a great, fabulous, superb Drive Emulator, and of course so the timings are the same. So I'm just waiting for it to load, and I'm sharing this experience with you. So let's just wait a little and see what happens. All right, ready? Good. Run. Wow, okay. Perfect. Nice. Isn't it nice? Okay, good. Okay, let's start with the game. There are so many options here about, you know, the cache you have and all of that stuff like that. Okay, we're not going to manage, okay, the whole thing. We're just going to play. Alright, so here I have to run, and I'm going to move up and down the joystick to run. And I'm going to jump in as soon as I reach the start line. Here we go. Alright. Please enjoy the graphic. Look at the frame rate. I was amazed that the frame rate on this machine, okay, I think it's playable. But, you know, the frame rate is like 2 frames per second, 3 frames, 4, I don't know. I'll let you judge it. And this is the sound. I hope you can hear it. Let's play again with the volume a little bit higher this time. All right. Yeah, right. Also listen to the sound because I'm going to play. See, running. Oh, come on, speed up. So you have seen the Commodore 64 version, and now I'm going to play using this fabulous loader here, same version in a Spectrum. Very interesting, the music is on the speaker. But when you play the game uses the sound interface that I connected to the Spectrum, okay? So, let's do it. Okay, single event. Alright. Look at the graphics and the frame rate. Okay. Way better. Can you hear the sound too? I have to bump up the volume a little. Good. I noticed these things before, but I'm just wondering why it does that. Anyway. So, as you saw, the Spectrum version is way better. And I think this fabulous machine here is that because, of course, this fabulous machine here has got a better CPU. I mean, it's faster. So the sound is making outside, and the CPU has got, and of course the programmers maybe were better in the machine code. So Bobsleigh, in the Bobsleigh comparison, Spectrum wins the game. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you ever want details, please comment the video. Okay, bye.